Alright, let's see what we got in here. And that knife is dull. Jeez. More tearing than cutting. Alright, what do we got in here? Ooh! I know what those are. Tappet guide covers. Hoo-hoo. Those are for a sportster case. Where is that sportster case? That'd be for this big heavy boat anchor here. This is my airplane motor mock-up case. So this is a rubber mounted turd, late model, so it's 04 and up. So this has this style of a lift or hold down mechanism inside here, which is a screw that holds on two little stands there, I guess, what do you want to call them. And then these are the covers that go on top of these, just like that. So now if I want to use this for my airplane mock-up, I can use this. I actually know what a cylinder has to be because now I got the part that goes on here. Put a couple Allen to hold it down and we're good to go. So now the guy that had the Allen bolts in there wanted $10 more for them, so I didn't buy those because I'm cheap. So there's no reason to buy extra expensive stuff you don't need. So I'm going to go there and try to find me some Allen bolts over there in that drawer over there. About that length. I need at least 4 of them. Ooh. Not much of a selection there to choose from in that length. It's probably more the length they're supposed to be. I'm not sure. We'll do 2 and 2. Too short, too long. Alright. Tight quarters over there, so we'll figure out which ones work best. See if that's the right one. Oh, look at that. That one was the short one. Let's try a long one. Appears to be going in. Long one fits. Definitely go screwed in long. Oh, there's one bolt in here already. And the short one is what they use stock. And see, even my short one is longer than their long one. See, I had a longer one. See, 3 different lengths, see? Looks like they use a real stubby one. That's not much threading. That is not what I would recommend for holding anything in. That is short. That's very short. Obviously, with something that short, they aren't caring about any kind of cover, any kind of support. That is really nothing there. It's long and fits, but it's a workout getting it in there. Okay, give me another shorty. We'll find me a short one over here. Two more short ones. I mean, I need one or two. I need one more, don't I? So I got me a real short one like they used. So we'll use a long one on the front. We'll use the short ones in the back. There we go. So now we've got mock-up covers for making it easier to figure out our push rod locations for our big ass cylinder. Which happens to be laying right here. Way too close. Yeah. Look at, see where it's going to be at. Of course, the cylinder keeps chasing me around the field here. I can't see squat. That one actually lines up pretty close. So I'm going to be modifying these cases at some point to make these airplane motors work. So what if I go like this? Can't tell anything upside down. So I need to just go cut the damn case out, so I need to do so I can know where it's going to be at. This thing just does not hang around where it's very good. There, fixed the problem, put in a vise. Now I can see what the hell is really happening. These stupid ass cases do not sit very flat. Alright, so we got a lifter block here, got our deck over here. These are really offset a long ways. So when we go to put our cylinder on here, how far is our push rod angle going to be off is key. So these go in here like this. These do not fit inside this cover. They purposely made these where you can't put covers in them, I guess. Or these ones don't fit anyway. These are shovel head covers, so I guess shovel head covers are bigger than Evo covers. They don't fit. What if we take an Evo cover and put it in there? It does not fit either. Sportsters have their own diameters, evidently. Sportsters use one-piece covers. These are telescopic. These are big twin covers. Will not go in the hole. Alright, well there you go. Not much of a mock-up. One more thing to modify. Alright, and when this goes up over here, like this. And I don't have that for mock-up at all. You put that about where it's going to sit at, which would be about right here. I'm not sure how much you've really seen of this. But cover goes right here. You see they still don't line up, they line up here. Now if you go to over here and further, see it gets better lining up. That requires a bigger motor. See our cover's right here. To line it up you have to be right there. And we're a full finger too far over on that side for the small motor. Now if we go with the big motor, put this back in here again. see a little better maybe, I'm not sure. Alright, now we got our big motor. Yeah, big ass motor. 5-inch bore. 5 1/4 actually. You put that where it's going to sit. Should be right about there. Push that cover goes in there. Pretty damn close. These have to be a lot higher up. That's going to fit about right there, which would be pretty close to what we want. And what I found out was this has very close push rods with it. So the tube angle is almost the same as up on the top up there, which is up a little higher with this camera showing. These are real narrow up here on this motor. The other motor was wider. So this actually lines up pretty closely, this combination here. This is awkward as hell, but there's how you mock up. So I'll give this in the trash there. This is not trash, it's a valuable part. So it looks like the Sportster motor here, with this lifter block location like this, is not too far off what we need to make it work on the big motor. Like I said, you can see how close these are right next to each other. You can see how these ones here are a little bit further apart. See, we got 4 fingers spread there. This one here is more of a 3-finger type deal. 4 is too much. So. Versus this one, you're taking all 4 and then some. Precision measuring device. So a small motor has wider spread, big motor has narrow spread. And the rock arms are longer too. But so this big ass bore motor here could be made to fit on this case pretty easily because the push rod alignment is good. Now when I looked at my iron head motor over there, it didn't line up very well, but we're still working on that part. Alright, so that's this motor. Okay, we got another one to look at here.